Hello everyone, this is Rudra welcoming you to our Gaming Evolution. So I had uploaded a video in which I gave a few solutions how to fix that 0% GPU utilization for performance overlay of Nvidia as well as game bar of Windows game. But I saw comments that for some people like this guy, it actually worked, but for some it is not working. They tried everything, and this guy gave 63636. He even said, "I'm ready to pay anything for you, sir. I would like to tell you that the next solution I'm going to give you, it is going to work 100%. You don't need to pay me anything. It's absolutely free. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open your GeForce Experience. Okay, it's there. Just a moment. And once you open your NVIDIA GeForce Experience, you need to click on Settings and then go to General. Just wait. It takes too much time. Let it load. Let it completely. Okay, yeah. So you see this option here, enable experimental features. A GeForce Experience update may be required. So I'm gonna click here. Now you see it is downloading something. It is downloading actually NVIDIA app that has replaced NVIDIA GeForce Experience temporarily. I'll show you how that app looks and how that app is going to fix your 0% utilization issue. So just wait. Okay, it's preparing to install. It is asking me to restart my computer. Okay, I'm gonna click restart here. Just a moment. So I've restarted my PC and it is showing me this. Now I'm gonna click on upgrade. This is upgrade to NVIDIA app and again continue. It's preparing to install. Let's wait. Okay, I'll pass forward the video, the specific section. So the app that has been installed, select the preferred driver. That will be the ready driver. Automatically optimize. No, I'd like to do it manually. NVIDIA overlay enable. Yes, I need my overlay app. Okay, so this is how this app looks like. Let me log in quickly. So I've logged in. Now on the home page, I have the games. Drivers is updated. Graphics, global setting, system, performance, automatic tuning, review, settings. Okay, I want to click on. So I want to press Alt plus Z. Okay, it is quite different than NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So what you need to do, you need to click on Statistics and click on Heads Up Display, configure Heads Up Display, and layout would be stacked, visibility would be enhanced. It's a matter of your personal preference, but I like this only. And statistic view would be advanced. And as you can see, GPU utilization issue has been fixed already. It is showing 12%. It is now showing 5%. Okay, let's test it out whether it actually worked or not. Let me quickly start again. Let's start prototype. Yeah, it's working, guys. Let me be double sure. Yep, my fans are loud and GPU utilization showing 81%, 70 to 84. Guys, it's working. And you can try this method as well. And just in case if it doesn't work as well, then you can let me know. I'll try to find another solution for you. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day to you.